In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Brave browser. Dark mode can be easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to launch the Brave browser on your device. This might seem obvious, but it's an important first step. Make sure your browser is up to date for the best experience. As you open it, take a moment to appreciate how quickly it loads. Brave is known for its speed and privacy features, which is why many users prefer it over other browsers. Once Brave is up and running, you'll want to navigate to the main menu icon. This icon is represented by three horizontal lines and is located in the top right corner of the browser window. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you will select the option labeled Settings. This area is where you can customize your Brave experience to suit your preferences. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find several categories. Click on the one labeled Appearance. This section controls how your browser looks and feels. It's the right place to be when you're trying to change the theme or visual style of the browser. After clicking on Appearance, you'll see various options related to how your browser appears. Here you need to click on Themes. This will lead you to the options for different visual styles that Brave supports. It's worth noting that customizing your theme can make your browsing experience more enjoyable and personalized. At this point, you'll see a drop-down menu with options for your theme. Currently, it might be set to same as Windows or Mac OS, or perhaps light. You'll want to change this setting to dark to enable dark mode. This change will immediately switch the browser's theme to a dark color scheme. This setting is useful because it reduces glare and can make it more comfortable to browse in dimly lit areas. Additionally, below this option, you might notice another setting labeled Brave Colors. Feel free to explore this as it offers a unique color palette designed specifically for Brave. It combines the benefits of dark mode with a touch of the browser's identity. Customizing this can add a bit of personal flair to your browsing experience. Once you've selected dark, your changes will take effect immediately. You don't need to restart the browser or take any additional steps. It's that simple. By enabling dark mode, you'll find that it helps reduce eye strain, especially during long browsing sessions. So enjoy your newly customized Brave browser that not only looks great but also feels more comfortable to use. That's it for today's tutorial on enabling dark mode in Brave browser. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, these small adjustments can make a big difference in your daily browsing experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy browsing.